Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so YouTube can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We're checking this one out. It's on Fegex ecosystem. So you guys know that I got to come and bring some awareness to this. We are rocks, okay? SmartRocks, SmartDefi. We got Life is DeFi. That rings a bell to anybody that's a Fegger and is trading live on Fegex right now. So we're going to check this out. Life is DeFi. Rocks with SmartDefi ecosystem. SmartRocks is a token created on the Binance Smart Chain network, and SmartRocks is an NFT trading project. Okay, so we're gonna take a dive into this one. Okay, we got about Rocks, 100% asset backed. Shout out to Rocks the alien, you know, him himself creating this SmartDefi. And here we go. We're gonna jump right into it. We got SmartRocks is committed to building a complete NFT trade platform infrastructure on the Binance Smart Chain, bridging blockchain projects to reality and becoming an expert on blockchain as large-scale service to support the entire NFT ecosystem and SmartRocks project. All NFT releases are planned embedded with renowned musicians, artists, athletes, digital creatives, and world-renowned influencers like Crypto Rico, which allows each project we publish to create real intrinsic value. Okay, if you guys want to see more about that, go ahead and take a dive into it on this. Right now, we're going to cover this ecosystem right now. We got Rocks ecosystem, SmartDefi. Shout out to the Feggers out there. Come tap in over here and let's show them some support right here. We got SmartDefi ecosystem. SmartRocks uses SmartDefi protocol to build tokens, 100% asset backed. Okay, we've been talking about this for a while. It's finally here. It's the most advanced product of Feg tokens. The contract built in liquidity is automatically and permanently locked, ensuring security of investors' property. That's why this is amazing. It's all locked within one contract. Okay, a sensible floor for price increase. Each SmartRocks token is fully supported by its base asset, guaranteeing that the token's baseline value will not be lost. 6% of each trade goes into the base price pool. The base asset is the token traded asset. Okay, like an example of BNB, if it's backed by BNB or Ethereum, whichever one it might be backed by, right? The base value will always increase with each buy and sell, thus forming a base value that never decreases, providing the smartest price floor lift ever. Okay, and that shout out to the alien himself and the whole team at Feg and the Rocks token, of course. Okay, and next, let's see what they got for this NFT platform. Through smart contract dApp, it provides users with a comprehensive auction and bidding service platform on the blockchain. Users can put commodities on the shelves and burn a certain number of tokens. After successful transactions, 5% fee will be drawn, and the profits will be of the platform. And the profits of the platform will be used to buy back and destroy tokens, making each token have absolute value. Again, attacking us having a price floor that continues to have positive price pressure. Okay, so let's see what else we got right here. These are the tokenomics. We got 1% goes to the price floor, 1% transaction fee. We got a total percent of 8, and the 6% is the baseline. And this is to continue to raise that price. And I was looking at the charts, and this is why this video is coming out. They're creating a buzz. It's launched on Fegex. One thing I would like right here on this roadmap, maybe some check marks so we know exactly what part we are moving along this roadmap. And let's check out who the team is. We got, who are we? SmartRocks has formed a cross-field core technical team that are guided by their rich skills and experience. The strategic planning, development, and operations of SmartRocks. This team includes former Binance Smart Chain development members, NFT experts, Canadian crypto asset trading expert, blockchain software engineers, early NFT evangelists, and etc. Okay, so shout out to the team, and you know, if you guys are part of the community, make sure you guys hit the like button, load it up with comments down below. Have the team reach out so we can do more videos and we can learn more about this project. Only use the official links down in the description below that I'm going to have for you guys. And if you guys want to see more about this, like I said, just tap in with me. This is something interesting, and again, supports our ecosystem that we've been waiting for a while. And this is going to continue to grow. So continue to come back experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.